Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know say a tax man, talk up boss. You see me? Yeah man, so if you all wanna see it, check the community. And if you all wanna see it, I'm gonna tell you right now, you see me? Big giveaway, Christmas giveaway, Talkup Tv1. You understand? Sponsored by loyal subscriber. Big up on yourself, you know yourself. So watch now. You see the first prize that I'm gonna give you right now at 20,000. Brand new Apple Ipod. And a chance to go and I wanna film them. You understand? Actually anybody can enter. Once you get on the movie already, and I see all over the place and know say you're good for acting. Want some people with just fresh do the thing, you see me? So if you got high school, primary school, kindergarten, if you are big people but you have a little thing you want to do it. You understand? If you want a little money, if you buy something like Christmas, you eat. And you know body belly full, so the country with it. Wow. You may say still. Second prize with the pan right now. $10,000. A chance with the film. Third prize $5,000. A chance with the film. You understand? And how much would depend on the one, you know. You understand? You just have to be creative and do the right thing. You see me I say? Yeah man. So all participants must subscribe to the channel. You understand? That's the first rule. You understand? The second rule. Video 5 to 8 minutes. One little short skit. You understand? I don't know that. You know we wrap up movie, you know. You know? So one short skit 5 to, you know, have to kill up yourself to do that. And the next thing again, theme is Christmas. The theme is Christmas. You understand? Anything about Christmas, you want to come up with something nice for the Christmas. That's the theme, you understand? So you see after you do the video and everything, you just link me up, you understand? You can find it on Gmail. You understand? Right there, so talkup1 at gmail.com. Instagram. Talkup _ Talkup Tv1. That's the Instagram. You understand? Now if you need little instruction, just show up on the Instagram, you see me? And check the community on the channel. You see the information. If you know hear what I say properly, because you know things that already know. Yeah. And the first 10 participants, and them are going to enter into the thing. And anybody get the most vote in the comment section, because I believe with them, you know. Like 1, 2, 3, and if you vote for 1, if 20 people vote for 1 and 10 vote for 2, you know say number 1 are going to win the prize. You understand? So yo, run out and do the thing man. Make a little money in Christmas. Have the iPad send back you to school if you never have none.